Hey guys, today I wanted to share this tiny little portable speaker made by Lenovo. And the thing that I really liked about this one, RGB, it has a built-in glass in which there is an RGB effect, which you can change the mode and it adapts based on the sound. So I thought it would be a really cool addition to an RGB setup. And on top of that, we have, for its price, it has the best technologies, like for example, Bluetooth 5.2, which obviously will ensure a longer range and a stable internet Bluetooth connection. Transmission distance is greater than or equal to 10 meters. Battery capacity is 500 milliamps hour. Continuous playing time is about 3 hours. Charging time is 1 hour. And it has a Type C. Its version is K3 Plus. It's made by Lenovo, so good company, renowned brand. So you can expect a good quality sound from it. It also gives you a surround sound. I really liked it. I wanted to check it out. So let's open it and let's test it out. Very standard packaging, nothing fancy here. An okay quality Type C cable, Type A to Type C cable for charging. And at the bottom we have a user manual. And this is our Think Plus K3 Plus speaker made by Lenovo. On this side you can see the Type C charging. With that you have the indicator to give you indication when the battery is charged or when it is low. We have, it also supports an SD card. You can insert an SD card with songs and then it will start playing it. And on this side you should be able to see the buttons. Like we have 4 buttons. One is turn on or play or pause the media. Then we have minus volume, plus volume, and to change the brightness, not brightness, I would say the mode of the RGB lights. So let's turn it on and let's play something. Okay, we are good to go. Let's pray. That's enough for the test. And one thing I would say right off the bat is I expected more brightness from the RGB. Maybe I can increase it or decrease it. No, I can't. So I can't increase the brightness. It is standard. And I expected more, a bit more. Let me turn off the light actually. Yeah, I mean, it still looks cool, but I expected more RGB from it. Something that goes a bit outside this glass. But again, I think it still looks cool. So the RGB, very tiny little beautiful RGB speaker K3 Plus made by Lenovo. It's belong to their Think Plus series, and battery equipped, surround sound, SD card support, Type C charging, Bluetooth 5.2, portable, lightweight, easy to carry, costs you around $20 to $25. Please refer to the links for the price. And yeah, this is the K3 Plus. If you are asking for my recommendation whether to buy it or not, I would recommend it. I mean, I like the sound. It wasn't hurting my ears when it was high. It wasn't, what should I use the word, like noisy at the highs, and the bass was really good. Like if you put your finger on the top, you can really feel the vibration of the bass and everything. So overall, if you're asking for my recommendation, I would definitely recommend it. So yeah, this was our Lenovo K3 Plus smart speaker, and let me know what you think. And you have already my recommendation. Please do take great care of yourself. Bye.